Hey, in this video I'm gonna show you which settings are the best to shoot the best quality video on your GoPro Hero 3 Silver Edition in my case. So I'm just gonna turn on the camera and then we are on video mode, so let's go to the settings by pressing mode button. So let's choose the settings by pressing tab button. Here we are on settings. First it's video settings, then it's photo settings, multiple photos settings, time-lapse, capture settings, setup, wireless controls, delete and exit. So let's return to video settings. Choose it. And first we're gonna choose resolution. Here we are. Let's choose 1080p. It's actually the most suitable for most cases for using 1080p and 30 frames per second with wide field of view, because you can use this footage for everything and crop it as you need it in editing programs. And also you can do even slow motion by using Twixtor plugin, for example. But anyway, if you want to actually shoot slow motion, you should to switch resolution. Okay, let's go back to resolution. Switch it to 720p. Choose it. And choose 60 frames per second. So in this case you will record your video on 60 frames per second, and then you can reduce speed in post for 30 frames per second, so you will receive basically a slow motion video. Anyway, if you want to use with this resolution 30 frames per second, it will save you some memory on your card, so you will be able to shoot more. Anyway, there are also another option on resolution. It is 960p. You can sorry, it's 960p. You can choose also 48 frames per second. So this setting is 4:3 by default, but it allows you to crop it into widescreen proportions in a 720p workspace. So anyway, I'd prefer to use 1080p or 720p initially. The other option for using resolution is VGA mode. So you can use here 120 frames per second, so it will be extreme slow motion, but I don't really like this mode because of the video quality. So now we set up this mode, for example, and we are ready to start shoot slow motion. Okay, I hope this was helpful, and use your GoPro as a real hero.